Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at QuantumScape. Yes, the EV battery maker. Been looking at these guys for a long time. I really liked them a lot when they first came out, and you probably saw some videos back then if you were still here, if you were here then. And technical indicators say they're going up. So, looking at another cash covered put. Let's see what we can get. Wow, okay, let's look at the odds. Alright, implied volatility is pretty high. 34 and 66 at 10 and $7.5, $7.50. So let's split the difference. Maybe let's take a look here. I'll probably get put the $10 put, and I'll probably make out on the 7.5. And we average it out. We're making some pretty decent returns here, 100% or so. Pretty decent. Let's take a look how much we can get this executed for. Let's try 207. Alright, let's go with the high end, and we can back off if we need to. Risk capital about 1500, 1600. Alright, got plenty of buying power. And I have to modify this a little too greedy. So let's go down a little. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. A little bit less greedy. And if you guys haven't joined the channel yet, I encourage you to do that. And you get these things real time. At least the trade announcements that I do. Alright, it was filled. Pretty good deal. Half price sale going on right now. So first time in QuantumScape for a while. I think it's going up. A lot of got a long way to go. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.